Christmas is all about. I can tell you what Christmas is all about.
Chestnut roasting, Jack Frost.
Good morning, sunflowers, and welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited for today's episode of Vlogmas. I've been uploading every day. I'll put some videos around the screen. I've been having so much fun with it. So today I just dropped my siblings off at high school, so it's like, let's see what time it is. It's 7:30. I dropped them off at 7. I literally rolled out of bed. It's like I'm still in PJs, no makeup, crazy hair, because I needed to take my brother and sister, like I said, to school. Then I went and got gas because your girl literally was on empty, and I was like, if my gas runs out in this like high school parking lot, embarrassing. But now I am at Starbucks. Oh, really quick, I also stopped at Dunkin'. I wanted to get a donut, but I wanted to get a pup cup for my kitten to try today. So I was like, you know what, I'll get some Starbucks coffee. And I actually think I'm gonna get somebody else's order that I follow on Instagram, Natalie Zakek. She has like really aesthetic pictures, but I was just like scrolling this morning while I was waiting for my sister to get ready for school, and I was like, wait, this drink looks really good. So I screenshotted it, and I'll put it on the screen for you guys in case you want to get it. But I'm gonna order it, and then we're gonna go home. I have to edit and upload the Vlogmas video that I'm posting like today when I'm filming this. And I also am listening to a podcast that went up today that I was a guest on, which is so cool. It's called The Happiness Headspace with Chloe Johal, and I am so excited. I'm like 3 minutes into it and it's already so good. Her cover art's so cute. It's so cool. She's a super young girl who started a podcast, and she's just gotten out at full force, which is so inspiring to see. She also has a YouTube channel, so I'm gonna link the podcast episode I was in and her YouTube channel down below. Oh, and the podcast has a YouTube channel, but the podcast is on Spotify. Like, that's what I listen to my podcast on, at least. So I'm listening to that even though I was in it. I just want to like see how I sounded, maybe critique myself a little bit because of some things that are going to be happening soon. Comment Sunflower Secret. I'm saying some stuff earlier in the videos now, but I have a lot of work to do today, so it's gonna be like a big productive work day for me, for like my secret project mainly, and also just some other things. So yeah, I'm gonna order my Starbies, and then we're gonna go home and have an editing sesh. I always edit my videos pretty much in the morning. Like I've said before on this channel, I like to give my nights as downtime to like read and watch YouTube videos and chill with my family, and then I do my work in the morning. So yes, with almond milk and extra ice in a venti cup. And then could I also get a pup cup?
A pup cup, sure.
And that's all.
Okay, so just to make sure, guys, I have a grande latte, toasted white chocolate sauce, almond milk, and extra ice.
Perfect, thank you so much.
I'll be $5.67.
Perfect, thank you. Now that was real bold of me. I always get too nervous to do like weird long orders, but I was like, you know what? I'm gonna treat myself today. I'm gonna be bold, and I'm just gonna say this super long order that I saw a blogger get. So I will review it to you guys. I literally haven't had Starbucks coffee since like I have it on campus because that's what Ole Miss has, but like that was like once, and besides that I always got it last year. My typical Starbucks order is a cold brew with peppermint syrup, whereas Dunkin', you guys know, I get vanilla lattes, but we're mixing it up today. I'm excited, so I'll catch up with you guys when I get home. All right, I got Miss Queen Stormy a little frappuccino. This is Stormy's first frappuccino ever. You love it, baby? Lucy's checking it out. She looks so cute. She has to have her morning Starbucks so she can have a productive little day. All right, y'all, I'm going to taste test this coffee. I waited through the drive because I wanted to try it on camera. Let's see. That's good. That's really good, actually. This would probably be my new Starbucks order. I really like it. I have a hard time with Starbucks coffee. I feel like Starbucks coffee always has a bitter undertone, but this one has like a little more sweet taste. So definitely recommend this order. If you guys go to Starbucks, I'm going to go enjoy my coffee and have an editing sesh. I also think the Christmas cups are just so cute. So yes, I'm going to get caffeinated for the day, edit my vlog, and get my day going. All right, y'all, ignore the coffee pot in the background, but I have my little workspace for this morning, my computer with my SD card reader to edit. Got my cough, of course. This is the donut I got. I didn't show you guys. I got the sugar plum one from Dunkin'. We love the Christmas vibes. And I have all my like SD cards, so. And we have crazy puppies. Alright guys, so I just finished editing the vlog. This has been my move to this little chair, so this has been my setup because I needed to charge my phone. But I kind of wanted to give you guys a behind the scene on how I do my thumbnails because I've never shared that before, and I know a lot of you guys are like small YouTubers or starting out YouTubers. Let me move my little coffee so I can show you guys. So first off, I use Canva because it's free. We love free stuff. So anything I can find like a free version of, I am there. So I just use like a basic thumbnail. You can choose the thumbnail option so it has the correct size for you. I literally always just use the same file and just delete the day before's one. That's there. And then, so basically I just start with a clean slate. You guys can see like all of my days of Vlogmas. I use this for Instagram stories. I use Canva for so much. I literally love Canva. So I airdrop my pictures from my phone to my computer to set up the thumbnail, but I wanted to show you guys what I use to edit the coloring. So like this is for the one I'm editing right now, for example. I use the vintage filter and I add brightness. So this is the picture originally, and this is it with the edit. And then I actually take it to Lightroom and I add whiteness. You guys can see this is the original, and then it's a little bit brighter. It's not a huge difference, but it does make a difference. Like this picture, you guys can see the white just adds a little bit of a bright effect, which I like. Like here's an example from the other day. So I just used Headspace and Lightroom. Okay, so then I take my pictures from my phone and airdrop them to my MacBook. All right, so then I put them in my Canva library and I just kind of pick a little way to organize them. I'll do this really quick and then I'll show you guys my next step. I don't know if it's helpful, but like comment down below if it is, and if you guys have small YouTube channels, I'd love to check them out. But it took me a while to perfect like how I like to do this, and I still make them a little different every time, but I'm kind of showing you guys like the basic steps. So I'm gonna do this and then we take it over to my iPad. So one sec. Hey Bean. All right, so next up, I use my iPad, but you guys don't have to have an iPad, so don't like buy an iPad to do thumbnails if you're a new YouTuber. You can literally use this app on your phone. Another free app, Pixar. A lot of like real design people don't think this is like a good app or legitimate. I feel like it's kind of a joke, but it works really well for me, and like I said, it's free. So you guys can also, I literally have this app on my phone for thumbnails. It's just kind of easier to use my iPad and a stylus because this is literally something I just already had. I used this in high school. It was like required, so you guys can see we have my thumbnail I just made. I added a little text. I just did day of my life vlog with a little black outline, and now I'm gonna draw in little things to kind of like represent and like show what's in the video. I feel like to catch people's attention, so I just choose a draw, and then I just use all these drawing tools. It's super easy. All right, y'all, I added the text. I added these little stars and I thought it was cute. I'm going to airdrop this to my computer. I'm watching Brooke Mitchell right now while I did this. I'm gonna set it to upload, and then I'm gonna get ready to go get in my daily workout. I wanna do some Instagram stuff today. Like today's gonna be a super fun day, so yes, but this is how I do my thumbnails. All right, guys, so I just got my video up. I'm gonna quick fill out my planner for the day. I just wanna set up myself to have a good, productive little day. I do need to do that today, so that is happening. I don't even know what day of the week it is. All right, I'm gonna quick fill this out, and then I will catch up with you guys and give you guys a gym OOTD. So my to-do list is done. I'm gonna quick give you guys outfits. I'm literally wearing like the same workout clothes every few days though, because most of my workout clothes are at school in my apartment. I didn't bring them home. Oof. So yes. All right, really quick though, Victoria's Secret Sports Bra. I've showed you guys this before. Everyday Ana Luisa necklaces, as you guys know, my Amazon jacket, Alo yoga leggings, and I'm also, I put this on already, but I actually use it every day, my little fake Louis Vuitton backpack moment. I got it when I got that like Balenciaga hoodie. I did like an unboxing in a video. Super cute. All I need for the gym is literally like my headphones, so I just throw those in there with like my ID card and stuff. So yes, let's head to Club Fitness, get my workout in, because afterwards we have a bunch to do today. And also I'm excited because my lunch today is going to be so tasty because I have leftover food from doing the mukbang that I filmed yesterday. So yes, all right, let's hit it.
Red lipstick always looks good when you try to fake a smile. Glitter dress makes me feel cute when I'm trying not to cry. I'll take a picture.
Hey guys, so I am just leaving the gym. I just got out to my car. I'm headed home now because I'm going to go have some lunch. My workout was so good. I mixed it up. I've just been kind of like searching EDM workout music kind of thing lately, which I think I told you guys the other day. But if you guys have like any good workout playlists, comment down below, because I feel like that's what makes me want to go work out the most, is if I have like a good playlist, if that makes sense. You guys probably relate. But yes, I'm gonna stop talking because I am so hungry, and then we're gonna get ready for the day. I'm gonna go do some Insta pics, and I'm trying to work on doing more with TikTok and just tons of fun stuff. So yes, I'll see you guys. I'm gonna literally go home and microwave fast food, and I can't wait. Alright, sunflowers, so update time. I obviously put makeup on and did my hair and showered. It's been like probably a few hours since I updated you guys. I got myself together because I'm going to shoot some Instagram pictures. A really sweet girl, Olmis, who started a business, sent me over some items. So I'm gonna take some pictures for her to use for the business Instagram, and I'm probably gonna post a few too. But I really quick wanted to show you guys what she sent over. I don't have to include this. This video isn't sponsored or anything. It was just gifted items, but since I'm gonna put them in, I thought I'd show you guys, and I'll give you guys in a second a quick OOTD because I'm wearing a super fun outfit for the pictures. All right, ignore the like loudest background noise with someone here doing yard work, but I got this really cute package, like I said, from EXO Sarkar. There, I will put the Instagram on the screen. Super duper cute. These are what I'm hoping to wear with this outfit and do pictures with. I think these are so cute. These are something that I would definitely wear every day. I think I'm literally gonna put those in and just leave them in because they're tiny heaps but have like the little rainbow touch, which is so me. And then she sent over, first of all, it came with this like super cute card. I should have showed you guys that first. So cute. I have a discount code, grace15, 15% off. So thoughtful. And then lastly, how to do this with one hand, but these are perfect every day. So, and also I didn't pick this stuff out, so it was so fun. I felt like a little Christmas present. These are every day, and then this pair is perfect for like funky fits, which you guys know I'm so here for. Like, have a little romanticized coffee run, get all funsies, so I love these. Like, okay, yes please. You guys know how I feel about rainbows. I love anything colorful. I love the stud part. I just think they're so unique, and I can't wait to wear these. So yes, but I think today I'm going to do these daily ones because I'm kind of wearing like an everyday look right now. But yes, thank you EXO Sarkar. Oop, that's the back to one of those earrings. But yes, thank you so much EXO Sarkar. This is so sweet and cute, and we love supporting small businesses. So let's do my outfit of the day. Alright guys, so this sweater is from my thrifting vlog the other day. I think it's super cute. I love the little handles. It's like my favorite thing ever. I kind of slightly tucked up here, and the rest is untucked. I'm wearing this Princess Polly skirt that's way too short, so I can't wear it in real life anymore because it's like been shrunk and stuff, but it's really cute for pictures, and I've worn it before in pictures. And then my Air Forces. So yes, I'm gonna throw the earrings in. Ooh, and very importantly, where is it? I'm gonna use this little bag as a prop for the pics. I think it's super duper cute. So yes, this is the finished look. I feel super cute, very my style, very colorful. Love the pastels. Also, my room needs to be clean. Like, I didn't make my bed today, but yes, let's go take some pics. Oh, I'm also gonna use my tripod. I'll link it down below for you guys. We love being able to take our own Instagram pictures and not needing nobody. All right, I put the earrings in, and they are so cute. I am obsessed. I'm gonna literally just leave these in and wear them every day. Okay guys, so I've been taking pictures for a bit. I'm just in Newtown. It's basically like this little area with houses. You guys can't really see out my window. Basically, there's just like a bunch of like townhomes, and they're really like colorful, and then there's like little shops and stuff too. So I'm going to insert some of the pictures. I've been using my old coffee as a prop, and that little purse that I showed you guys with my outfit of the day thing. So I think I'm gonna head home and have my mom take some pictures of like my earrings. But yeah, I think I got some good pictures. It's sometimes hard by yourself with a self tripod, but I think I did it.
I got 1,500.
All right guys, so I edited the pictures for a little bit, and now I'm taking a little break. It's been so nice outside today, so I'm on a walk. We have Miss Stormy in the stroller and the puppies. I can't talk right now. I'm doing hot cooking. Alright guys, so update time. I just finished eating dinner. I didn't show you guys, but I literally just had more leftovers from my mukbang. But I'm now going to film some TikToks. I literally am so bad at dancing, so it is a struggle for me, but I'll put it on the screen. I'm trying to work on it. I want to make like YouTuber tips and happy lifestyle tips and kind of bring more of like the stuff that I make on YouTube over to that platform. I have a lot of fun with it, so we're gonna keep going with it. But the sun goes down so early, guys. I feel like my work days, I can get like one thing done and then the sun's down. But luckily, I recently got these ring lights from Best Buy. They were like 30 bucks a piece, So I'm gonna use these to help make them, and I have my little tripod I used to take pictures today to shoot this, so we'll see. I'm trying to do a dance and then like put some tips on the screen for either how to start a YouTube channel or healthy lifestyle stuff. I kind of want to do both. So I have like a whole list of TikTok ideas, but we'll see what I end up making today. I'm trying to learn dances so I can do them, but like the point of the video is the tips. The dance just kind of gets people to the video, if that makes sense, with the sound and stuff. So we'll see how this goes. I'm just having fun with it. But yeah, all right. You guys can kind of watch from the sidelines as I be cringy. Okay guys, so I've been working on my secret project. I'm gonna give you guys a few hints. I just closed my computer because I want you guys to see. I'm making a little Google Doc with the colors I want for it, the art ideas for it, a few title concepts, and some name concepts. That's what I'm currently working on, but I don't want to share quite yet. It's gonna be in a few vlogs. I am going to reveal it to you guys, I think, first, so I'm very, very excited. But yes, so that's a little sneak peek into that. But I'm gonna go ahead and end today's Vlogmas because I am literally just going to be working on the secret project the rest of my night, so I don't have to do too much for it tomorrow. I really want to I want to be at a little bit further of a point than I'm currently at to get this going when I want, so that's tonight's project. But yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow for the next video of Vlogmas. I'm having so much fun with these. I'm literally gonna miss uploading every day so much, so yeah, see you guys then.
What is it?
A Christmas tree! How cute is that? So cute.